short video platforms. The most easiest way to get tons of views, tons of affiliate commissions, tons of sales, tons of online revenue, virality, without even creating your own content, without hardly doing any of the work, because in today's video, I'm going to give to you my done for you funnel that I've been using on my short video content that I haven't even been creating myself to generate hundreds and even some days thousands of dollars online net revenue. Today's video is going to consist of a much longer, more in-depth tutorial than what I usually make. If you guys are ready, I recommend go get some coffee, get some snacks, and sit with me because I'm going to guide you through this entire course and step-by-step process on how you can create your own funnels, checkout systems, get paid, create your own products, outsource short video content to get hundreds of thousands of views like I've been doing on TikTok and Facebook Reels. Before we get started, I did announce in my previous video that I would be doing a $20 Bitcoin giveaway. The winner of that giveaway, and my favorite comment that I selected out of the comments, is this person over here. What I need you to do is to send me a message on Instagram. I'll leave my handle over here somewhere, with your pinned comment and a screenshot of your YouTube channel and your channel IDs so that I can verify it is your comment. And we're going to do the same thing in today's video. I'm going to set a target of 500 likes in the first 24 hours. What you need to do is leave a like on this video. If this video achieves 500 likes in the first 24 hours, and comment down below your most favorite motivational or inspirational quotes, and I will do the exact same thing in tomorrow's video. I will select my favorite comments and pin it on the screen like I did today and announce the winner for another $20 Bitcoin giveaway. But without further ado, I don't want to waste any more time. I really recommend that you strap in, save this video to your watch later if you can't watch it now, and let's dive straight into my PC. The first thing you need is a product to go and promote to potentially make money off of. The easiest place to go and find a product is on clickbank.com. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you would know that I speak about this website a lot, simply because it's one of my most favorite websites that I've made most of my money online off of. Once you sign into clickbank.com, you'll see on the marketplace over here there are tons of different categories. For this specific strategy, you're going to be using the e-business and e-marketing niche. Just click on the overall general category. You will find tons of make money online products that you can go and promote. Take a look at this one. Here is an opportunity to get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube and social media. Every time you refer someone to this product, you will get paid $29.07 once off, and $44 every single month thereafter in passive cash flow income. This is one of my favorite products to promote right now because it's really a win-win for you and your lead, because your lead gets a chance to make money using Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter, and you get paid every time you refer someone to this opportunity. So if you go and click on promote over here, click on create hop link. You want to go and click on copy and go and save this in a notepad. So I'm going to open up a brand new notepad document and I'm just going to paste my affiliate link here and minimize this as we are going to come back to this later on. Now that you have a product ready to go and promote, secondly, we need a funnel or a landing page to incorporate into our content that I'm going to show you how to create, or how to copy and paste really, in the third part of this video. This is one of the most important, crucial steps in succeeding at this. And I don't know if I mentioned this in the introduction of this video, but this is not some kind of side hustle that will pay just a couple of cents. This is something that can scale into a full-blown business. I'm going to reveal this tool just in a bit, but this tool will allow you to copy and paste done for you funnels, webinars, e-learning centers, in other words, your own membership areas. You can design your own applications for the iOS and Play Store at a simple drag and drop builder. You can create your own online stores. You can host your own WhatsApp launch manager, SMS messaging, Telegram marketing and bots, 3D photo editor studios, and all sorts of other tools. This tool is called Builderall.com, which is an all-in-one business in a box for an online entrepreneur. If you want to get this tool completely for free your first month with over $1,200 in bonuses from me, I'm going to leave a link down below. Once you've signed up through that link, you won't have to pay for anything. You can actually use the strategy to pay off your Builderall account after the first month if you decide to continue with this. Once you've signed up through the first link in the description, which is my link to this tool completely for free with those bonuses, if you want to come over straight to Builderall, you can do that, but then you need to pay your first month. So it's really up to you. But once you've signed up through that link down below, you're going to land on a dashboard that looks like this. Click on the apps tool over here. click on Funnel Builder, click on Add New Funnel. For your title, you can go and type social media jobs. For your theme, if you click on themes, you'll see a whole bunch of different themes over here. It really doesn't matter which one you choose. I usually like to choose the blue theme funnel. Click on Create Funnel. It will give you a bunch of useful tips that I recommend you read through. I've already gone through this, so I'm not going to do that. I'm rather going to show you. Click on Start the Funnel on the home page, and you will see if you click on Blueprints, you can import done for you funnels at the click of a button, or you can create your own manual funnel with all the different pages over here. So I'm going to go and click on Blueprints, and you will see over here, you've got lead capture, sales process, webinar process, membership products for courses. The exact category that we're going to be using is lead capture. Select the bridge funnel, and it will automatically import the bridge funnel blueprint onto your screen, which will look like this. You've got your social media traffic, which will land on your bridge page, which they will then opt into your form, which is a form where they need to sign up for the specific get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube opportunity, which is the product we're using on ClickBank, which will then take them through to the confirmation email page and into the next funnel, which will be the landing page of this particular product over here, which is the get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, which you'll see is a page that looks like this, is a quiz to see if they are viable to make money off social media. So once you've got your funnel blueprints, click on Generate Site on the top right, and your website will automatically be generated in just a couple of seconds. Click on Go to Website, and it will take you to the page editor where we can edit each and every individual page. Let's start off with our bridge page. Click on Edit Page, and it will take you to the live page editor. Now, what I'm about to explain to you can get quite nitty and gritty information. It's quite a bit to explain. There's lots of little steps that you need to pay attention to if you've never used this tool before. What I recommend is just listen carefully to what I'm about to tell you. Then I'm going to jump into the good stuff on how we're actually going to go and replicate and copy and paste our content to go and make money through this funnel. Your bridge page will be shown to you in this type of format where you need to go and edit your title. You can add your own pictures, edit your own reviews, add a reason why your lead should buy this product. So what I'm going to do is to start off by creating this bridge page is very simple. Is come over to the home page of our actual affiliate product, and really it's a matter of copy and paste. So I'm going to copy the title, double click on the title on my bridge page, paste that. I'm also going to delete this video completely. I'm just going to make sure that this title is centerized. I'm then going to come over to my bridge page. I'm then going to come over to my affiliate product. I'm going to screenshot this entire screen. Come over to a tool called Paint. Paste your screenshot by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard and go and cut out just the section over here that looks like the quiz and click on crop. I'm then going to go and just neaten this up like that. I'm then going to click on File, Save as JPEG Image, and save this to my PC. Come over back to your Cheetah website builder. Click on the arrow on the dropout. Click on Add. You want to click on Elements and go and look for Image. Drag the horizontal image onto your sales page. Click on this image. Click on Edit Elements. Click on General Settings on the right hand side. Click on Change Image, click on Select File, and go and upload that same file or picture we've just screenshotted. Click on it, click on Save, and your landing page is now starting to look like this. For the subtext, we can simply go and type here, limited spots available, see if you qualify below. And simple as that, we can actually go and delete all of these steps over here. It is actually not necessary to have. So I'm just going to delete every one of these. I'm then going to move this button up like this, and I'm going to drag this up there. The final step of this page is to configure the link of this button. Click on Set Link, go and select Page, and go and select bridge page, confirmation email page. Click on Select again and click on Save and go and publish this page live. So that is our first page complete. You'll see when I click on this button, it will take me to the confirmation email page. All we need to do is go and edit this confirmation page and go and plug in our affiliate product into this funnel. So come back to the page editor, go and click on confirmation email page, click on edit page. It will then take you to the live page editor. So over here, all we need to do is go and add a button to our affiliate link. Click on Add on the top right, click on Elements and go and look for Button. Click on Button and you can go and drag any template. So I'm just going to go and use this green one over here. I'm going to drag this onto the screen. I'm going to move this text down, click on edit element, and for the headline of this button, we can go and type here, sign up to get paid to use social media. Let's just increase the size of this button to a much bigger width. And finally, go and click on this button again, click on set link, go and open up that text document where we saved our affiliate link, highlight it all and click on Control C or right click copy and go and paste the URL over here. Click on select and click on save. And our bridge funnel is now complete. Apologies about my webcam, my camera's overheated, so you just will be seeing my screen for the rest of the video. Click on save. And if you go and copy the link, if you click on of your bridge page, click on these three dots, click on go to the website, copy the link of this entire landing page. Also go and save this in the same text document by pasting it over here and clicking on minimize. The final part of this video, creating our content, well, without actually recording it and really editing it ourselves, you're going to come over to TikTok, go and search up pages like this. A good example is called Wealth Lock. One of my favorite pages on TikTok. Post these motivational, simple videos of quotes and motivational speeches, inspirational quotes from famous people. They're edited into text with a viral TikTok song with free stock video images and videos in the background. What I want you to go and do is, and this is completely legal and you have the right to go and do this, is to go and repost these videos onto Facebook Reels. The reason why we are using Facebook Reels is because Facebook Reels was launched this year. It's trying to compete with TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. So it is really pushing out content creators that are posting on Facebook Reels, getting them a lot of virality and a lot of traffic and followers to their page. So we can go and utilize this at the moment to go and make tons of affiliate sales on our page. So you can go, for example, go and copy some of the most viral videos. This one got 518,000 views. Click on that TikTok, go and copy this link, come over to Google and go and search TikTok download without the watermark, click on enter, go and click on the first link, go and paste your link, click on Control V or right click paste, click on download, and this video will now download to your PC in HD without the TikTok watermark so that Facebook won't pick it up as a repost. Come over to Facebook Reels, come over to Facebook Reels, come over to Facebook and go and create your own Facebook business page. Firstly, you want to go and brand your page professionally. And that's easy to do. Come over to Google and go and search up business name generator. And you can go and search up this first website over here. Just click on the link. And for example, a keyword you can go and enter is make money online or entrepreneurship, or yeah, let's just go entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. Go and click on get started. It will give you a whole bunch of different names that you can use for your Facebook page. For example, Turbo Entrepreneurship, Entrepreneurship Pro, Performance Entrepreneurship, Vital Entrepreneurship. All of these names you can go and use for your Facebook page name. Once you've done that, you can use canva.com to go and create your own logo and your background image. Secondly, you want to go and post this reel on your Facebook page, but make sure you post it as a Facebook reel. Very important. You don't want to post it as a normal video or a post. It must be a Facebook reel. And simply in the comments of each and every video, just click on comments and go and type the following. Get paid to use YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. Limited sign-ups only. And then all you want to go and do is put a colon, come over to your notepad and go and copy your bridge page that you've created on Builderall and go and paste your link just like that and click on post or post your comment, and you want to pin that comment to the top. And just watch as you post every single day consistently on your Facebook page. I mean, if you come over to TikTok and you go and search up motivational videos or quotes or whatever you'd like to go and search, there are millions of different videos that you can go and repost on Facebook. And all I recommend is just give the original page credit on TikTok by posting simply in the caption of your video, credit to wealth lock on TikTok. That is all I recommend, and then you are completely allowed to go and repost this on Facebook. What I'm going to do is to help you out even more. On the screen over here, I've got another video that I showed you how to go and utilize Pinterest and TikTok to replicate the same virality. This will be an excellent tutorial for you to go and incorporate this exact same strategy that I've taught in today's video in this traffic system as well, utilizing TikTok on top of Facebook Reels. And you can plug in this funnel that you have created on Builderall into the same strategy to even get more traffic and sales to your affiliate product. So what I recommend is, if you want to learn more about this, learn about various different traffic strategies that you can plug into this funnel that I taught in today's video, go and click on this video on the screen over here, and I'll see you over there.